Okay, well, I'm going to take a peek at the 66 Mustang here. Basically have been working on it a long time, trying to get a motor ready for it, and then finding out what other problems are wrong with the car, making those things work again, and now trying to dial some of it back in. It is definitely in rough shape still, and would like to try to quiet things down and make sure it's watertight, as well as try to remove some of the heat that's coming through the floorboards before going ahead and putting the carpet back in and such in the interior. I don't want that to get wrecked. Okay, and then coming around, let's take a peek at the other side of the car. And here we are. Again, more attempted fixes. Somebody taped things off to paint it. Got a little rust, some nice patina going here. It's a little aggravating at times when people are asking, so what are you going to do with the body? Are you going to paint that? Or when are you going to finish it? And that is not my focus at all at this point. I do have a couple of wires running to the back. I need to go ahead and stick a grommet in there, make sure it is a little bit more secure so it doesn't get cut up. Front seats have been wonderful. Big thank you to my wife. She went ahead and tore apart the old ones, put in new cushions, and reupholstered them with the TMI kit as well. And the door panel cleaned up nicely. And you can see here my test paint job. I actually had two kinds of color, tried to decide which one would match the best, and they were both awful.
So at this point, let's get the Hush Mat or Dyno Mat sound deadener installed and see what kind of difference it makes.